Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength here, strongest CPA in the game. I am accompanied by my uncle, Tommy Joe Crutcher, winner of championship game and the first 2 Super Bowl games coached under Vince Lombardi. So yeah, he's proud of me, I know he is. And yeah, we getting it going. We're gonna do AGI today. AGI, what that? Oh, before, could you please you do it for yourself. You'll have good luck for the rest of your life if you like this video, but you gotta like it right now. Please like it. Thank you very much. We's doing AGI today. What's the AGI? Is that a GI Bill? No. Adjusted gross income. We're doing adjusted gross income today. It's on the 1040. This is the 1040, okay? There's 2 pages to it. The very bottom, 1040, I know you can't really see it. I am sorry. Can we do something about this? Ooh. Okay. So up top here, that's your income. Think about, and in accounting you always gotta think, look what it says, adjusted gross income. That's why I'm big about writing everything out in accounting and tax. Write it all out, because AGI, you're like, what is that? In my head, I think it's a GI Bill or something. Oh, I get money out from school because I was in the Army, but I wasn't even in the Army. So adjusted gross income. So on the 1040, you have your income up top here. Adjust it? Let's adjust it. You have these, see, this is the, what does it say? Adjusted gross income. It's a whole section here. So you adjust it. Those are above the line deductions. The line is called adjusted gross income. But there's really not too many above the line deductions. So adjusted gross income is a lot of times just your income. But very important. It's number 37 here. The very bottom line is the adjusted gross income, 37. Also, look, that was the first page. Now as we go into the second page, look at that, 38. 38 is the same as 37, adjusted gross income. Oh, okay, I'm getting better at this. Yeah. It's the only number. It's on the bottom. This is the 1040. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the 1040. This is a personal tax. That's the second page. This is a 1040. This is an individual tax preparation. In a U.S. individual income tax return. At the bottom of the first page is adjusted gross income. Top of the second page is adjusted gross income. So most of the time it's just your income. But it's a super important number because it's the only number, it's the only thing that is there twice. It's the same number. It's bottom of first page, top of second page. So pretty important, adjusted gross income. Just remember, it's at the bottom of the first, top of the second. What is it? What does the word say? Adjusted gross income. Adjusted, and gross is everything, income. So adjusted, everything, income. Adjusted income. Really, you don't adjust it too much right there, but that's what it is. So hey, it's just a quick little video today because for a lot of things, for a lot of different things, they want, what's your adjusted gross income? What's your adjusted gross income? And no one really knows what it is. If you have no idea what it is, look at your previous tax return and save your tax return, for goodness sakes. Because you never know when you're gonna just save it. And for God's sakes, it's line 37 and 38. It's the very bottom of the first page, very top of the second page. That's adjusted gross income. That's CPA Strength. That's my video for today. And until tomorrow, I'll see ya. Deuces.